What up, yo? Yeah, I'm headed over to Tractor Supply today, man. I gotta go see about see if I can get me a wind-up jack for my trailer, for my car hauler, man. It's hell using like a flow jack trying to lift that something up and down. So I'm gonna run over there and see what they got. Hopefully they got what I need. And hopefully they got what I need, man. I need to get that done. I hate lifting that sucker up, and I ain't got no hydraulic jack. I got the old wind-up jacks. You know, the one that really work the hell out of you. So I can't keep doing that. Can't keep having that. So go run over there on the back. Thinking about hitting that gym up right after that. Might go over there and do a little workout for the day, a little early one, instead of waiting until the night and do it. That way it'll give me time to come back. If they have it, I can come back and put that sucker on my trailer. Do a little quick hookup on that, where I can access to my truck better. See how that turned out. Other than that, man, I ain't really got nothing else to do today. I done one haul already. That was kind of cool, but I guess this is my next thing. This be my last thing for the day anyway. I don't move too much. Try to stay around home as much as possible. Just chill out, you know what I'm saying? And ain't too much going on out here no more. Get caught up in the wrong area. Get done for no fucking reason, so stay my black ass home. So that's what we gonna do today, man. We gonna go ahead on and get that. Might not even fool that gym today. I might just go on and get that handle up on my trailer, get that done out the way, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go to Tractor Supply and see what that look like right quick.
Like I talk it, walk it like I talk it. Mac.
Alright, y'all, I'm really in here. I think I found what I'm looking for. That's what I was talking about. That's all I need right here. Go on and get this out the way. I don't see no other one. Yeah, this the one I need. I ain't gonna waste no time in here. I'm gonna go ahead on and grab this and get out of here. Head on up here to the register now. Yep, got her. Well, got the part that I need. I even got the cap. Y'all know these two. Just them two by itself. $19, man. $19 for two caps that hold grease inside of an axle. Are you serious? I'm like, man, $19, dude. Damn, that bill damn near more than the damn jack that I bought. But I mean, I need it though. I mean, I can't find it nowhere else. So I had to go ahead on and get it. And I'm glad I'm glad I got it though, because that's how my last one got messed up. Ain't had no cap on it. All the grease flew out of the hub, and that caused my wheel to come jumping off my trailer. And it was down. That would cause me to have it down for a few days or whatnot. But we got it back right. I'm gonna make sure that this one here stay right, so I can keep moving, keep going. I like making moves, man. So there's traffic out here today. I don't know where all this come from on a Sunday. Ain't nobody even working today. Yeah, man. I decided I'm gonna go ahead on and hit the gym up, man. I'm gonna go ahead on and get that out the way. It's still early. That way, once I get out of there, I can go head home and put those two on. Grease my my hubs up on my trailer, all 4 of them. Make sure she right. Gonna have a repeat. Yeah, we're gonna get that right, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead on and hit this gym up right quick, man. But first, I gotta go get me something to eat, man. I can't work out on no empty stomach. I got that bang in me right now, so you know, kind of juiced up around here. You know, gotta get right. Make sure that energy level is like up there for that workout. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go hit McDonald's up right quick. That way I won't be all sluggish. A sluggish workout, boy, that'll ruin your day. So, I mean, I know McDonald's ain't healthy, you know, and all that there, but sometimes I don't be canned. So, I do what I do, baby. I'm gonna burn it right back off regardless. So, yeah, I'm gonna go run over y'all to McDonald's. Get that right quick, man. Get something in me right quick. Yeah, let me have 2 hot and spices, add cheese.
2 hot and spices, add cheese?
Yeah.
That's all for you?
Yeah, that's it.
You can drop around for your total.
Got it. Get that food in me right quick. Oh yeah, man, I forgot to let y'all know, man, I went got another tattoo. Got my son name on me. It's peeling up. It's ugly as hell when it's peeling. I hate the way them things look when they're peeling up. Gonna get right though. That's the end of my workout, and I'm gonna head on home, and when I get there I'm gonna show y'all what's going on with that trailer with that jack, baby. Yes sir, that was a good one. But go ahead on and catch my breath, take that ride home, and I'll get back with y'all when I get there, baby.
Deluxe hip hop music.
Deal Street mixtapes, nigga. Street Kings mixtape, real gangster shit.
Cocaine music. Dev Street production. Deluxe hip hop music.
Alright, there it is, y'all. Finally got that sucker on there. Even though it took me damn near 2 days to get it on, but don't tell nobody that. Yeah, that finally got me a new jack on that sucker, man. I ain't got to use that no more. So, I sure appreciate y'all watching my video, man. Y'all go like this thing, go subscribe it, bro. You know, help your boy get up there, man. So, we'll go finish drinking out this bang and get back at y'all, bro. Holla.